Hey, it's Aaron. What's going on? If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out feature points. Maybe you saw this on social media. Maybe you're wondering, is this a good way for you to make money or is it a big waste of time? Let's check it all out. At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good. Some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, big waste of time. So let's check out feature points to see whether this is a good use of your time or maybe there are better ways for you to make money online out there. All right, now feature points is a GPT app. All right, it's a get paid to do something, and you do different tasks on the app and they will pay you a little bit of money for your time. Okay, so if you come to featurepoints.com, this is their official website, but what I would recommend is that you actually download this directly onto your phone because it operates better on your phone. All right, so if you were to click on Google Play, for example, you're going to see the Google Play Store. You can download it here. This is a very popular app. I mean, it's, they've got over 10 million downloads just on the Google Play Store alone. That's not including the Apple Store, right? And once you download it, it kind of looks like this. Okay, this is what it looks like, right? So there are a few things that you can do as soon as you get the app. You can click on Earn, which is right at the bottom of the app. And there are a few different ways that you can make money from feature points. The first way is you can play games, okay? Now, don't expect to earn much money from games because, I mean, you're just playing games for free. So what's actually happening is as you're playing the games, they're going to be displaying some advertising ads to you, okay? The more you watch the ads, the more points that you receive. Now, the points will convert into real dollars, and we'll talk about how much money you can potentially earn from feature points in a second, right? And is this a good use of your time? But just understand that the points don't equal to how much money you can actually withdraw. All right, you're just going to be getting points for playing the games. Really, it's the worst way to earn on feature points, but you can do that. Okay, so that's kind of what you're going to see here. For example, this is one of their games. It's like the one-arm bandit kind of thing. You just keep playing, and then as you keep playing, you see ads, and then they will basically give you rewards. Another way that you can earn on here is to actually download offers, right? So they've got you can download different apps, right? So for example, they will allow you to download different things like Tinder, like different games, maybe a casino type of offer, right? And the thing you have to understand about these particular offers is that you have to do certain things in order to get those points. Okay, so for example, if it's Tinder, they might require you to actually put your credit card down and buy certain things on Tinder before they reward you those actual coins. Okay, or it might be a casino offer where you have to spend at least $20 or $50, and then they will reward you with a certain amount of points, generally more points. But please understand, with the offers, you have to do certain things. You have to hit certain milestones. You have to jump certain hoops before you can actually make those points. It's not just about downloading the app, right? So some games you have to reach level 10 or level 50 or level 100, which sometimes can take a few days, a few weeks in order for you to achieve that certain goal before they actually give you the associated points. All right, but a pretty decent way to earn there as well, right? You can share with friends and family, okay, and you get up to 10% points, right, from them. And you can also fill out surveys as well, okay? Surveys are pretty simple, right? They're very average compared to a lot of the other GPT websites. They're not paying more. They're not paying less. It's kind of somewhere in the middle, all right? So the big question is how much money can you make with feature points, right? Now, feature points is a very average GPT app. I've reviewed literally, maybe like 30 or 40 different GPT websites and apps over the years, right? These guys are pretty standard, nothing crazy, nothing spectacular, pretty normal, all right? So all in all, you can make money from playing games, downloading offers, and taking surveys, right? And at the end of it all, you can basically withdraw mainly through you can see here gift cards, and a better way is PayPal and a prepaid Visa card, and you can also get some cryptocurrency through Bitcoin. Now, depending on where you live in the world, you will have access to different gift cards. Okay, so sometimes it's an Amazon gift card, sometimes it's PlayStation, sometimes it's Walmart, sometimes it's only Google Play, for example. It just depends on your country, right? Now, this is a global app, which is very nice, right? And at least they allow you multiple ways to withdraw, and the minimum withdrawal is $5. Okay, so if you're PayPal, minimum you have to rack up is $5. You can do that in a few days, usually, okay, with this app. You do have to put in a bit of time. We'll talk about that in a second, all right? But just understand that, you can get cash, Bitcoin, or gift cards, which I think is pretty cool, okay? Now, the big question is how much can you make with feature points, okay? Now, because feature points is an average GPT app, they don't pay super high, they don't pay super low. The point system is very, very average, okay? So basically, if you spend roughly about 2 or 3 hours on this app every single day, you can earn about $1 to $2 a day. That's pretty much it, all right? So please don't expect to earn a huge amount of money from, feature points, because it's not designed to make you that much money, right? The games don't pay much at all. You don't get much points from them. The offers are okay, and the surveys are very average, all right? So 2 to 3 hours a day on this app, you'll earn about $1. If you earn $2, that's already on the high side, okay? So on a monthly basis, you're looking at about maybe $30 a month, maybe maximum, $60 a month, unless you're spending, 10 or 12 hours a day on this app, which is highly unlikely, okay? Most normal people with a full-time job will not be spending 10 or 12 hours a day on this app. So I would say, on average, a few hours a day, you're looking at about 30 to 60 bucks a month. Now, that's not going to break the bank, right? You're not going to quit your job. You can't, replace your income. You can't travel the world. GPT apps are not designed to do that. They're only designed to give you a little bit of extra money, okay? So it's not meant to, help you retire or anything like that, because the business model doesn't allow them to pay you that much money, right? Everything is free. You're not selling any product or anything like that. It's just playing games, watching videos, downloading offers, taking surveys, stuff like that. So unfortunately, they can't pay you that much money, but it is a legitimate app. They've been around for a very, very long time, so you can check it out if you want, okay? The only thing I would say is recently, though, they've had a lot of very negative reviews. So I'm just going to go on to Google Play right now, and you can see that most of the reviews recently, they're very, very low. A lot of 1 stars, a lot of 2 stars. You can see right here, right? A lot of people calling it a scam. Okay, so I've actually already sieved through a lot of these recent reviews, and the biggest complaints with the reviews here, the people that are giving it 1 star anyway, is most of it has to do with tech issues, and also not being able to get the right amount of points. So a lot of people are saying that they're either getting their accounts banned for no reason, or because of suspicious activity, or they're not able to actually get the points when they fill out a survey or they play a game, or the points reduce over time. So a lot of tech stuff, not able to get in touch with support and things like that. So I'm gonna leave it to you on whether or not you want to use this app, because look, if you're here to make money and you're using a GPT app and they're not giving you the right amount of points for the effort that you put in, or you can't get you can't get access to support when you need help, or they are blocking your account for stuff that you didn't even do in the first place, that's not a good thing, okay? Because you're wasting your time and you're not getting paid for the amount of effort that you get paid. I would just stay away from something like that, right? So recently they've had, look at that, a lot of 1 stars, tons and tons of 1 stars. So I think that Feature Points right now is going through some problems, and I think it depends on a little bit of luck. If you're in a part of the world where you're able to access the app and everything is good, right? Then you might be able to use it okay. But if you're unlucky, you might have a version of the app where you're having a lot of glitches and you're having a lot of technical issues. Then you may not be able to get the right attributions for the amount of effort that you're putting in, and you may not even be able to even withdraw your money. So, in that case, only you can decide whether you want to use this kind of app or not. But it's pretty popular, it's free, it's global, and they do pay out, okay? They actually do pay out. So it just depends on your luck a little bit, all right? So that's Feature Points right there. If you want to check it out, you can head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and you can check it out if you want, all right? Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to generate income online. On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies, some good, some so-so, a lot of them not great. But out of all the good ones, right, I think that there's one strategy that's really awesome. I've used it myself to quit my full-time job in 2019, and I think this is a great strategy for a beginner or anybody who's never made money online before. If you want to check it out, just click the link below and I'll share with you my free masterclass on exactly how you can leverage this strategy if you want, okay? I wish you all the best. I hope you enjoyed this review of Feature Points. I will see you on another video review. Take care. Speak soon.